Water jet spray gun is designed for efficient and controlled cleaning in industrial, commercial, and utility applications. Built with durability and performance in mind, this spray gun ensures reliable operation even under demanding conditions. Its ergonomic design with a blue rubber surface cover provides a comfortable grip and safe handling during extended use, while the trigger mechanism allows precise control over water flow. Key features: high-quality construction, made from stainless steel for excellent corrosion resistance. Adjustable spray pattern, easily adjustable spray pattern for various cleaning needs. Ergonomic design, blue rubber-coated body for better grip. Efficient water usage, smooth trigger for easy flow control. Its applications are industrial equipment cleaning, floor and surface washing, food and beverage industry cleaning, vehicle and machinery washing, pharmaceutical. Why choose this spray gun? This water jet spray gun combines durability, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for industries requiring consistent and effective cleaning performance.
Looking for the right water jet spray gun? Contact MICAN Engineers Private Limited today.